Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Brian Hunt, and today we're gonna do the next challenge on Freecodecamp inventory update. So here we have a compare and update the inventory stored in a 2D array against a second 2D array set of a flash delivery. Update the current existing inventory item quantities in array 1. If an item cannot be found, add a new item and quantity into inventory array. The return into inventory array should be an alphabetical order by item. Okay, here they will give us the function like update inventory should return an array. So here they will require us to address this problem in JavaScript. However, for my theory, free coding interview prep, I use Python to address the problem. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here I will write down this def update inventory array 1 and array 2, right? They're the same. And then that's the return array 1. That is Freecodecamp, they gave us the input and output for that. Okay, I will give the first for the loop. Okay, I will the examples here, the current inventory, okay, and the new inventory here. You can see it here. Okay, I will use the for I in range lane array 2. And here I will set the check equal to false first, because when it means like the array at the position I, if I and we get a second item, okay, if it is same with this one, we will turn on the check like a flag into true. Okay. Okay, now I will give another loop for trade in range lane array 1. Okay. So if array if array 2 I equal to array j, okay, but however at the position second kind of here, the index here, the index is 1, right? 1, okay, 1. So if this the index or the second item, if it's this one equal together, equal, it will add this one. It means the array 0, right? Array J and E, array I and J, I and J at the position 0. They will add it, right? Okay, so I will have an array J, because so that's from update the array 1. J 0 equal array 1 J add to array 2 position I we get 0. Okay. Okay. And now we will turn on the flag check I think I will put here like flag. It would be better for you guys to recognize this. Into 2, it means like the array 2 I 1 equal to array here 1 j 1, yes, and here the array 1j0 and array 2 I 0. Okay, and flag is 2. So if we out of the loop 4j here, if not flag, it means the array 2i1 and array 1j1 is not equal. So we will we will add we will add that element into the array 1. We will update it. Append array 2 and I, right? So now we already have this one, return 1. Okay, I will check it for you. Okay, so array 1, array 2. Bring this one. This is a code. New here. CD6. Python, and this one is inventory. Yeah, you can see it. The result here. However, from the problem, they require a return inventory array should be in alphabetical order by item. Okay, so we need to sort it. Okay, so here array 1 equal, we use the method sorted array 1, and here the key equal to lambda. We use the library lambda. Let's try this. And array, I got array 1. Okay, and we rerun it. Sorry, I put this. Yes, you can see it. It was sorted in alphabetical. Bowling ball, dirty socks, hairpin, half-eaten apple, a microphone. Okay, toothpaste. Yeah, that's the problem already addressed for this. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe if you see this very good for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.